तो हेलो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आप सभी का MCTI के एक और नए वीडियो में, जिसमें आज हम लोग कवर करने वाले हैं सेशन नंबर 43, जैसा कि मैंने अपने पिछले वीडियो में कहा था। तो चलिए फटाफट से शुरू करते हैं अपने 43 नंबर के सेशन को। तो ये मैं आ चुका अपने फर्स्ट नॉलेज चेक में। टोटल 4 क्वेश्चन है। यूजर्स कैन रिविजिट देयर पास्ट डायलॉग्स विद ChatGPT थ्रू द कन्वर्सेशन हिस्ट्री फीचर्ड ऑन द डैशबोर्ड। इसका आंसर ट्रू है। व्हाट इज अ यूनिक फीचर ऑफ ChatGPT 4 कंपेयर टू ChatGPT 3.5? It allows users to upload pictures. Anita is a teacher from Kolkata, wants to make her history lessons more interactive and engaging for her high school students. How can ChatGPT help her? By suggesting interactive quiz questions. What ethical consideration are ChatGPT built with? Ensuring responses are safe and respectful. Second knowledge check में total 4 questions है. What should be included in a ChatGPT conversation for better responses? Add images, videos, or other multimedia elements when necessary. How does ChatGPT perceive user inputs as data? How can businesses use sentiment analysis provided by ChatGPT to gain insights into public opinion and customer satisfaction? What role does ChatGPT play in data analysis? It processes and interprets vast amounts of unstructured data. So here रहा मेरा third knowledge check, 4 questions again. Instead of viewing AI as a threat, how should individuals perceive it? As a tool that can improve productivity and efficiency. How does ChatGPT's evolving landscape impact its role in creative and professional projects? Okay, it enhances its potential to offer helpful suggestions and assist in designing. What unique value does ChatGPT bring to party planning, providing creative and practical decoration tips? Karan is planning a family trip to Kerala. How can ChatGPT assist in the planning, recommending travel routes and cultural insights? सभी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करके चलिए करते हैं एंड एग्जाम। फोर्थ नॉलेज चेक में 2 क्वेश्चंस हैं। Which AI technique helps eNAM instantly assign grades to agricultural produce? AI-based grading algorithms. Which AI feature of eNAM is demonstrated here? A real-time data validation. ये रहा मेरा फिफ्थ नॉलेज चेक। What can you track using Habitica? Daily habits. Habitica rewards users primarily by virtual points and achievements. सो गाइस, सारे नॉलेज चेक खत्म करके यहाँ हम आ चुके हैं अपने सेशन कंप्लीशन टेस्ट की तरफ। टोटल 10 क्वेश्चंस है। विच टू ऑफ द फॉलोइंग सिनेरियोज आर परफेक्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ रियल टाइम प्रोसेसिंग? सो withdrawing cash from an ATM and booking a Tatkal ticket on IRCTC. You are creating a library management table. Which two fields would fail as a primary key because they are not unique? Book title, student name. Why is batch processing more suitable than real-time processing for generating monthly electricity bills? Choose 2 reasons. It is easier to process all bills together at one time. Bills are prepared only once a month, so instant processing is not needed. A weather station collects temperature data every second but sends a summary report to a news channel every 24 hours. Which 2 types of processing are taking place here? Real-time and batch. In a bank account table, which 2 statements correctly describe the importance of a key field? It allows the bank to find your specific account quickly. It prevents errors when updating a balance. A factory worker's attendance is marked every day, but his salary is calculated only on the 30th of every month. What is the salary calculation process called? Batch processing. An Indian Railways ticketing counter needs to show seat availability. If it used batch processing instead of real-time processing, what would happen? Multiple people might be sold the same seat. When you use a UPI app like GPay or PhonePe to pay a shopkeeper, the money is deducted instantly. Why is real-time processing used in this case? To prevent the user from spending the same money twice. The state board is calculating results for 15 lakh students. It collects all the marks and processes them together at the end of the month. Which processing method is being used here? Batch processing. A school librarian is creating a digital list of 500 students. 2 students are named Amit Sharma. What should the librarian use as the key field to ensure these are not wrongly assigned? तो इसका आंसर यूनिक एडमिशन नंबर है। सो इसी के साथ आपका सेशन नंबर 43 यहाँ पे होता है ख़त्म। आई होप आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगले वीडियो में हम लेकर आएंगे सेशन नंबर 44। तो तब तक के लिए बने रहिए हमारे साथ। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।